that eggplant going.
Okay.
Up. So these are little mini globe eggplant from Dragon. We still jump on board, buy a good amount of our produce.
Yeah.
And it's still a highlight of our week. All right, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put these, I think, on a rack and score them. Let's see how these look inside. So I am scoring the eggplant, and I'm gonna salt them so that the eggplant begins to sweat and it releases all of its bitter juices.